So in this case, you've been asked to do a series of things with an equation. First thing hopefully you can recognize is that this is a hyperbola. Also, because the negative is in front of the x, this is opening up and down. Now we'll find the center by seeing that 3 makes this 0 and -1 makes that 0. So we're left 1 and up 3 for our center. Now the major axis is 3, and it's going left and right because it goes with the x. So I'll go 3 left and right in my center. My minor axis, b, is 2. So I'm going 2 up and 2 down, and now I can draw my box. And sketch my asymptotes. Through the center, through the corner. I can also now sketch my hyperbola, again going up and down. I was asked for center, foci, and vertices. Well, I can do the center now. The center was -1 up 3. And one of the foci then is -1 up 3 plus 2 is 5. The other is -1 and down 2 from 3 is 1. To find the foci, first of all, I need to know that they're generally here and here. They're inside each branch of the hyperbola. And the c distance is the largest distance. So that means c squared is going to be equal to a squared plus b squared in this case. I don't know c, but I do know a is 3 and b is 2. So c squared is equal to the square root of 9 plus 4, which is the square root of 13. So that means I'm going to go from my center back 1, or left 1, and then 3 was my center, and I'm going to go down the square root of 13. And in this case, I'm going to go left 1, and then from 3 I'll go up the square root of 13. So those are the things that go in for my foci. The next thing you've been asked for is the equation of the slant asymptotes. Well, I want you to recall the point-slope form of equation. That way we know everything goes through the center. So that could be a point. The x is -1 and the y is 3. Also, I can see that my slope is going to a rise of 2 and a run of 3. So that means my slope is 2/3. So one of the slant asymptotes would be y minus 3 equals 2 over 3. X minus a -1 is x plus 1. And the other slant asymptote is going to be all the same except for the slope. X minus 3 equals a new slope times x minus a -1 or x plus 1. Well, now I'm going down 2 and over 3. So I would have -2/3. So that's how I can find my slant asymptotes in a quick, easy way if you remember the point-slope form of an equation.